Using breaker blocks can significantly enhance your trading strategy, but manually drawing levels and pinpointing the perfect entry and exit points can be tedious. You've learned that once order blocks are mitigated, they transform into breaker blocks, and these levels are crucial for entering trades or taking profits. That's why we created an indicator that not only highlights breaker blocks for you, but also signals when to enter and exit a trade. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how this indicator works. But if you stick with us, we'll share some insider tips that could upgrade your trading strategy right now. Because the best part, it's completely free. When a possible setup is forming, 3 components are automatically displayed on your chart. First is the order block that became a breaker block. The section of this block to the left, without the midline, represents the order block that was mitigated, which then created the breaker block to the right. Second, you'll see 1 or 2 PD arrays, which we'll use as one of the ways to exit trades later in this video. Finally, you'll also see a triangle on the candle that created the breaker block. While this first triangle can be used for entries in certain scenarios, it is not really supposed to be considered an entry signal. For a proper entry, the price will need to return to the breaker block, close within the block, and then exit. Once this happens, a smaller triangle will appear on the chart. This is your entry signal. From there, you can set a stop loss at a swing point and target a PD array. Now, when that second candle returned to the breaker block, for the signal to be valid, the candle must not close beyond this midline. If it does, the entry would be invalid, and an X will be shown. For a single setup, the indicator can detect multiple entries at that breaker block. But typically, the strongest entries will occur within 5 to 10 bars of the first triangle. If you prefer not to use PD arrays for take profit levels, you can go into the settings of the indicator and enable standard TP options. You can set up to 3 take profit levels, each with its own risk to reward ratio, allowing you to create the proper trade setup and close partials as the trade moves in your favor. While this indicator provides signals, always remember not to follow signals blindly. Consider this as an entry model within your trading system that includes risk management protocols. You can get access to this indicator at LuxAlgo.com/library by searching for breaker blocks with signals. Thank you for watching.